now the French authorities are going to try him as a French citizen. There's no other country that's going to interfere in this matter. And that's why it's very important to grab a residency, right? And sooner rather than later, that residency then converts or could convert into a solid, strong citizenship. The Dominican Republic, one of my favorite places. This is a very fast citizenship option, right? In 6 months to 2 years, you have options where you can apply for naturalization. There's easy entry into the golden visa. You can either use your active income via conversion to qualify. You can use the passive income to directly qualify, or you can purchase a condo worth 200K to gain a direct permanent residency, which does not define any minimum physical presence on the ground. So Dominican Republic is a very solid option. A lot of people, in fact, some presidents look at Dominican Republic as a very good, solid option. There's one such president that I interviewed on my channel who also thinks Dominican Republic is one of his favorite countries for various reasons. And I think in particular for protection, because in such situations, such countries really come in handy. Particularly, I love Brazil for this reason. There's a golden visa with just 30 days of physical presence. You're purchasing a very cheap property. You can rent it, you can live in it, you can do pretty much whatever. Maybe it's a beach facing condo. And in Brazil, you could get the golden visa, 192K in the property, and you get this amazing option. This does lead to citizenship eventually. Of course, for citizenship, you would need more time commitment. The other country, the third country on this list is Colombia. A lot of people, and that's the reason why Colombia got so much popularity, because it does provide you with a lot of protection even the times are bad. A lot of stupid people jump up and down saying how unsafe a particular country is, but use some brains and use some common sense. We're talking about the benefit, right? Same is the case with South Africa. South Africa has a dateless, lifelong, permanent residency. I think this option is worth its weight in gold. All you're looking at is a very paltry donation to the government, 6,800, and this residency could be yours. And one of my all-time favorites is the Mexican option. We can get you the card in a single day. And all these options that I'm talking about, we have solid attorneys, not just one, a team of attorneys in different places. So whichever city you want to land in a particular country, the ones that we talk about, we can get you started. You can always click the link. Book a call. We can discuss the best option, and it's always good to discuss a few options. Maybe it's 1, 2, or 3 options that you want to sequence at different points in time in your life. You want to collect multiple citizenship options so you don't sit and rely on your solid, strong single country passport. You want to have weaker countries, you want to have exotic countries, and then you want to have some plan B's, plan C's, plan D's in play if you feel there is threat in future. And this doesn't depend upon you doing anything wrong. Even if you're a techie, even if you're doing a job, if you're trying to design an application, whatever the case might be, the world is crazy. If you have no money, no one is going to give a about you. But if you have any money that you're earning, or if you suddenly start becoming successful, there's a good chance that you could get criminally prosecuted if you go wrong, right? If you make mistakes. And before you go in that direction, it's very important to solidify and secure your position once you have the strength. And one of the important things that I would stress upon is you should always stay away from wrongdoings, but sometimes it's not your mistake. The government, some draconian governments come out with some crazy rules and you could get trapped. At the time when you get trapped, there's nothing that can save you. And once you have a criminal charge on your background, no country is going to give you any benefit. So this time is the right time to grab your benefit, so that once you get to that situation, you are solidified, you're protected, you have your rights secured, you can sit in your alternate plan B, plan C, plan D country, fight it out, right? And you have multiple options because you don't know based on what situation, which country might offer you the best protection. That's where, when you have multiple options, you can exercise your consular protections in different interesting parts of the world, right? No one country is secure. So if you ask me what is the best secure country, no, there's no answer to that. The answer is multiple countries in the bag. So you can pick the country that's not troubling you, right? You can pick the country that's safe at that point in time. You can pick the country that offers you unique, distinct legal advantage at that point in time. And then you can switch bases based on how fluid your situation is. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed because I keep sharing new programs and changes, tips, tricks, hacks, analysis, and news updates. So if you are subscribed, you will stay notified on all the changes. All right, catch you in the next one.